125 square meters large tent. Assembly requires just 7 steps. Select a location and secure the base. Ensure the base chassis is level and in the correct position. Then secure it. Arrange materials. Place the component materials in their corresponding positions as per the installation instructions. Assemble the frame. Connect the ridge, rafters, and load bearing columns. Erect the frame. Use lifting equipment to erect the frame and secure it with cross bracing. Install the eaves and roof. Hang the square tubing onto the frame. Install the gables and side posts. Align the positions. Fix with bolts and round pins. Then adjust to maintain parallel stability. Install the tent fabric. Tighten the rods to secure the tent fabric. Conduct a comprehensive check and complete the assembly. Follow me for more styles.